Have you ever wondered how electronic circuits maintain a constant voltage even when the input supply changes? In this video, we'll explore one of the simplest and most important voltage regulation technique, Zener Diode regulation. Let's start with the basics. A Zener diode is a special type of p-n junction diode designed to operate in the reverse breakdown region. Unlike a normal diode, which gets damaged in breakdown, a Zener diode is specially manufactured to safely operate at a fixed breakdown voltage called the Zener voltage. Once the reverse voltage across the Zener diode reaches the Zener voltage, the diode conducts heavily and maintains an almost constant voltage across its terminals. A Zener diode voltage regulator is one of the simplest regulator circuits. It consists of a series resistor and a Zener diode connected in reverse bias across the load. The series resistor limits the current while the Zener diode maintains constant voltage across the load.